utilized in case of absence of food for many days, and the fat is mobilized and is utilized. Camels are capable of surviving without water for many weeks or even months. There are specific mechanisms and structures in their body which make them able to conserve the water and make them able to survive without water. So they can survive without drinking water for many weeks. They can drink about 150 liters of water in single time. There are billions of specialized cells in their bodies which store the water. The kidneys of the camel, they are wonderful, and they also work for the to conserve the water. There is a decreased filtration of water in the kidneys of the camel as